Praise the Lord everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I am unboxing a PMIC from Mobile Parts Wala. It's the PMI8952 for Lenovo K6 Power, which has come for repair. This IC is also used in Redmi 3S, Note 3 and some Motorola handsets as well. As you can see, the packaging is very nice. I received this package within 3 days and this IC costs just 80 bucks apart from shipping. This is the lowest price that you will get online, and I have close-up shots through the microscope camera of this IC, and this is a brand new IC. It has just, I believe they have sent it off. It is not a used IC, it's a brand new IC. It has come out of a reel, as you can see the package. So this is it. I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button as well, and share my videos as much as possible. So thank you for watching this video. I'm not going to say anything else because I do not have anything to say further, and so you can please see the video till the end to check out the close-up shots of the IC. So thank you so much and have a nice day.